Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the WordPress custom HTML block. If you've ever wanted to add your own HTML or embed something unique on your site, like a booking widget, a calendar, or even just some custom styling, this tutorial will show you exactly how to make that happen. By the end, you'll know how to confidently integrate HTML code into any WordPress page, giving you way more control over your site's look and functionality. Let's dive right in. First, let's get WordPress open. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage content, design, and pretty much everything else about your site. If you're already logged in, great, just make sure you're on the dashboard homepage. Now we want to add a new page where you'll place your custom HTML. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Find the Pages option and give it a click. This will bring up a list of all your site's pages. To create a fresh one, simply click the Add New button. Think of this page as a blank canvas, ready for whatever custom content you want to display. WordPress blocks are super flexible, and the custom HTML block gives you direct access to the code. To add it, type custom right into the main body area of the new page. You'll see a list of matching block options appear. This is WordPress's quick way to filter and add the block you need, like a shortcut. From the list, select the custom HTML block. Now you have a special space dedicated just for your code. This is the fun part. We're going to add your HTML code or iframe. Maybe you've copied some HTML for a contact form, a YouTube embed, or a widget from another service. Whatever it is, just paste it directly in the custom HTML blocks field. If you're using an iframe, for example, to embed a Google Calendar or an external booking form, that works exactly the same way. Paste the code in. Before publishing, it's really important to preview what you've just added. At the top right, you'll notice the Preview button. Go ahead and click it. This will open a new tab or window showing exactly how your custom HTML will look on your live page. Take a close look. Sometimes HTML can be a little finicky. Maybe things don't appear quite right or the embedded content is a bit off-center. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. You can always go back, tweak your code, and preview again. It might take a few tries to get things looking exactly the way you want. If everything looks good, you're almost done. Now just click Publish. This makes your page live, and your custom HTML is now part of your website for visitors to see and interact with. That's it. You've successfully given your page a personal touch by adding your own code. So that's all you need to start using the WordPress custom HTML block. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you'll find endless possibilities for making your pages stand out, or for integrating helpful features that basic WordPress blocks might not offer. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button so more people can discover these tips. Got questions or need help with a tricky bit of code? Drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.